Just got the gift package from community. Summer university is being held in Chengdu and every family gets a gift package as a souvenir, so let's see what's inside. First one is a shopping bag. How does it look? Second one is a fan. This one can't guess what it is. Let's find out. Oh, it's a towel. It's a map of every gym that holds competition. And schedule on the backside. And the funnest one, 100 English sentences for citizens. Let's see what's in there. Greeting part. Have a nice day and good luck to your competition. Transportation part. The metro station is over there. Food part. Would you like to try some local specialties like 麻婆豆腐? Shopping part. This looks really good on you. Travel part. If you are a big fan of giant pandas, you don't want to miss Panda Base. And you can also enjoy a cup of Sichuan local tea at Renmin Park. Well, if you are in Chengdu right now, here's some sentences in Chinese you may want to know. 你好,你好,谢谢,谢谢,再见,再见。那个好多钱？那个好多钱？便宜点嘛，便宜点嘛。地铁站在哪儿？地铁站在哪儿？我要去熊猫基地。我要去熊猫基地。By the way, the announcement during the Sichuan dialects. 再见。